Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Begin channel. So the last video we have discussed about how we can efficiently organize our folder structure in our Node.js projects. So as we discussed the last video, so what is the importance of the folder structure? So we should follow our folder structure irrespective of any uh, type of project in terms of a size. For example, small, medium, or a bigger projects. When we start working with the proper folder structure, so it very easy become a habit for us. So when we work with a very big project, so we can easily adopt with it. So this will help us other developer also able to understand your code. So MVC structure and the way we organizing is really important. So today video we'll be discussing entirely about different session of MongoDB. Okay, so the MongoDB, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a type of NoSQL database. What is NoSQL? What is SQL? NoSQL means so there is no proper way of relational structure. Okay, in terms of when we comparing with MySQL is a relational database, is SQL. So we'll be sending queries in a select start from XYZ. Okay. So we have a relation with each tables. Okay. So for example, if we have an employee table and then salary table. Okay. So we have the connection between employee and salary table. So employee ID is a common for both tables. Okay. But in a MongoDB, there is no certain rules. Okay. So you can define your own schema as per your need. So why do we have to go for MongoDB? Okay, so this is a very efficient system for document based handling your data. Okay, see for example, nowadays e-commerce and social medias are growing more. So they mainly uses MongoDB kind of database. Why they do follow? Because it's a very efficient way of storing a number of likes, commands, and there is a new feature tomorrow, so they can able to add extra field like emoji. It's like symbols which you can react instead of a text. So there are a lot of functionalities which we can make through MongoDB. Okay, so let's begin to the content. Okay, so in this entire tutorial we are going to use Atlas. Okay, this is MongoDB. So MongoDB Atlas. So the MongoDB, if you Google it, MongoDB Atlas, so you will get the URL for this. Okay, so why we are using this? This is entirely free. It's a cloud based. Okay, so it's easy to access anywhere. So in case once you complete development of the project, any mini project or something, you can host in any other server. It works well. Okay, so before before login you have to create your email. Okay, so you have to register yourself, so they will send you an email verification. So once you verify, so the account will be ready. So I have already have an account, so I have done all verification and things, so I'll show you. Okay, so this is the account looks like. Okay, once you log in, so you will show who no, it will show you have logged in, so you will get this kind of a screen. Okay, so what is the first step? So let's build our database. Just click build database. Okay, so it will ask you M10 deploy your database. So it is we are deploying a database into cloud. Okay, so there are options you can select. So the hourly charges is there. Okay, read charges is there, but we'll go with the free mode as we are under learning phase. Okay, so then cluster. Okay, so just name it what cluster name you want. Okay, I will add my own name to do. Okay, just click create. Okay, so it takes the some time to create. So let's complete motorcycle. 2 3 4. Yes, done. Verify, create. Okay, so it asks the username and password. I'm just sending root, so I'm sending password also root. Okay, create a user. Already exists. So we'll create uh, root, root one root. Okay, I'm creating a user. So user is got created. Okay, so all done. So let's see finish and close. Go to the database. Okay, never. So it's still creating our database for us. Okay, once we have created, we can able to access our database in our local system anywhere in the world. Okay, this is officially hosted in cloud. Okay, so once this is done, so once it is the creation is done, so what we can do, just click a connect. So it will bring up the option. So like drivers you want through SDK we want to connect, or a compass. What is compass? Compass is a one type of an application which helps to communicate with the MongoDB. It's a UI. Okay. So then cell scripts and VS Code, and so we are going to go with the VS Code. So install MongoDB, the basic steps, step one, two, three, and all. So you just copy this. Okay. This is the string we are going to use to connect our code with MongoDB Atlas. Okay. So just copy it, and we will be using this for future use. I mean, when we are coding it, we will be adding this URL as a connection string. So this will connect to our cloud Atlas. Okay. So now it's created. Okay. So browse the collections. So at the moment there won't be any collection because there is no data at all. It's a fresh data. Okay. So now you see it hosted on AWS in North Virginia, US East one. So this hosted on this place. Okay. Thank you, friends. So the next video will be discussing how we are going to connect MongoDB with our Atlas in a code level. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and please comment. If you have any doubt, please leave the comment. I will try to respond you as soon as possible.